Okay, so today we will look into the workflows.
Okay.
So workflows can be used in the multiple ways. Okay.
Mhm.
It can be used in the approvals also. It can be used to set some uh, criteria or some key
Okay.
value you want to set. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me open the workflow window.
Mm-hmm. So you have to go to customization.
Customization workflow.
Oh, okay, okay.
So in simple terms, if I call workflow is basically to have some automation, okay?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
To create some automation without using script.
Right.
Uh, so new workflow.
Mm-hmm.
So, when we want to create a workflow, can go to a new workflow. Okay, we can give any name to the workflow. Uh,
Yeah.
as record type. We have to identify, okay, on which record type it will work.
Okay.
Okay, if it is the transactions, then we
Mm-hmm.
will select transaction. Okay, if
Okay.
it's any other record like it's vendor master, vendor category, like it can
Mm-hmm.
be there on so much many places.
Okay.
So let's say I am creating the workflow on the transaction.
Mm-hmm.
Transaction, let's say, the purchase order.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what is the initiation? Initiation means that uh, what will be the start of this workflow? Basically, trigger point. Okay.
Yeah, trigger. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it is event based or schedule. Event based, like
Okay.
there should be any event. Okay.
Okay.
Or either we can schedule the running of this workflow.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
So when we schedule it, we have to select some save search filter. Okay, on which particular save search it is going to be scheduled,
Okay.
or on the basis of particular save search it is going to be scheduled.
Mm-hmm.
And when we select event based, we can uh, define the event. Okay, it's on create. On create means when you are creating the transaction.
Right, right, right.
That's Latin or
Mm.
on view or update. Okay, so we normally select both on create or
Okay.
on view or update.
Okay.
Okay, trigger type is what will be the trigger type? It's before
Yeah.
record load, after before record submit, after record submit.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Normally the trigger type is all.
Okay.
Event type, we can define any event type there. Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
So I didn't understand the schedule one. You were saying the schedule is based on the saved searches? the scheduled, yeah, that one is based on the saved search filter.
Yeah, see, when you schedule it, okay, so, like
Mm.
schedule it, uh,
Mm.
you have to select any save such. Okay, on the basis, uh, this particular schedule will run. Okay, like
Okay. Mm.
like it is written here. Select the save set that you want to use to initiate the workflow. When you configure a workflow to run on a schedule, the workflow executes on the results of a save search. Okay.
Okay, I see.
Uh,
Mm.
So let's say we created a save search. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And now we want to have that save search results like mail mail to some person, or we want to do some automation with that data. Okay. So
Okay.
we can have a workflow, and instead of event based, we can schedule it. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, now the event based.
Yeah.
So we can give some description also. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's the owner name who is creating the workflow.
Yeah.
Execute as admin. Okay. This type of means that when you want to, if if the workflow is like role based, okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
then you want to execute as administrator or not.
Okay. Okay.
Release set means that okay, workflow is in testing phase, not initiating
Oh, okay.
release or suspended.
Okay.
So we'll do release. Okay. Keep instance and history. Instance history means that uh, whether you want to workflow logs created or not.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah. So always enable logging.
Okay.
So any condition we want to give in the name, in the workflow name itself. Okay, like okay, workflow
Mm-hmm.
will run on this particular condition or not.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and save. As of now, we just created a workflow name. Okay, and
Right.
define
Right.
okay in this particular uh, like on this particular workflow.
Right.
Uh, on this record, it will create it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now let me open the purchase order.
So have we specified what to do? The workflow in the
Yes, no,
workflow?
no, no, no. I haven't yet specified. I'm
Oh, okay.
checking
Okay.
that. I'm checking that only. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Mm.
Because it's uh, like again new account.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, so you have to create a new subsidiary.
So now, hmm, okay. So here you can see the state. Okay, this.
Yeah.
So under this only you will like specify the actions. Okay,
Okay.
what you want to do.
Yeah.
So under actions you will go to the new action and specify the action. And
Mm-hmm.
under the
Oh,
fields, you will go to the new state field.
oh, I see. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So new action, I will go. So we get all this, like
Mm-hmm.
either we
Option.
want to add button in a transaction, we want to create a line, create a record, okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
lock record, set field, display type, display label, field mandatory. Okay,
Yeah.
now, so what I will do, I will set field value. Okay,
Okay.
automatically I am going to set the field value.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say we are setting the department value. Okay,
Okay.
that user don't have to select the department. Okay,
Oh, okay.
field
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
department main. Okay, so what does this main means? Main means okay. So basically, department comes two times. Okay, in the transaction.
Mm-hmm.
So department main means that it's department of the body field.
Okay.
Okay, this department.
Mm-hmm.
So we will select this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Any particular condition we want to set for this particular like department value. So we can
Okay.
specify the condition also.
Yeah.
Now, okay, which value we want to provide?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, static value.
Mm-hmm.
The static value means the fixed value which we will specify here. Okay,
Okay.
let's say
Okay.
general medicine.
Okay.
Okay, save. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
one action is created. Set field value
Mm-hmm.
department main is equal to general
Right. Right.
medicine. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I reload the purchase order,
Mm-hmm.
you can see general medicine is automatically coming.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, when you create a new purchase order, select that department name. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Let's say uh, I can specify one condition also. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, if you want to edit and change some action, we will go to this uh, pencil or pen button.
Yeah.
So here we will be editing our action. So I am going to specify a condition here.
Mm-hmm.
So my condition will be employee is equal to Sarat, not coming. Okay, okay, Sarat, let's add, say,
Mm-hmm.
say, if I open the page again, purchase and a purchase order.
Mm-hmm.
So as you can see, right now department is not coming. Okay,
Yeah, it's not coming. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
uh, will tell you when it will come. First, you select the vendor.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Dr. Reddy Gas Private Limited. Still not there. I will
Mm-hmm.
select the employee. It's not coming with. Uh, okay. So since I have specified the condition, okay, employee is equal to
Yeah.
Sarat Mitra. So
Mm-hmm.
so that means okay,
After the field.
add it, yes.
Mhm.
Because until I specify the field value, how it will
Mhm. Right, right.
trigger. Yeah, okay. So
Yeah. Maybe you have to select again the employee.
yes. So now it's coming.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So so all the options there like field value, field display type. Okay. Let's
Yeah.
say there is a one mandatory field, standard mandatory field. Okay. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
in any transaction. Okay.
Yeah.
Which
Mm-hmm.
you can't disable because it's
Right.
provided by the NetSuite only.
Mm-hmm.
But you can use the hide or you can unmandatory it that by workflow.
Oh, I see. So you can hide certain fields if, even if it's mandatory.
Yes. Yes. So
I see.
so go to new action and you can see the multiple actions available. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Any show message you want to show the message. Okay. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
or like you want to show some error message
Yeah.
in some field. So we can set here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And workflow is basically used for the approvals also. Okay. So
Okay.
there are two type of approvals used in the NetSuite. One is
Mm-hmm.
this workflow approvals, okay,
Yeah.
in
Mm-hmm.
which we have to create the state for every action or like state we want to basically the stages of the
Yeah.
workflow, uh,
Mm-hmm.
which we want to create in the NetSuite. Or
Mm-hmm.
second, we can use the suite approval. Okay.
Straight approval. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So there are two type of workflows there. Either we can use the suite approval or we can create this workflow.
Okay.
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 Now, this approval routing workflow, first we have to enable some setup. Let me check if this setup is enabled or not. We will go to
Mm-hmm.
setup, accounting,
Mm-hmm.
accounting, preferences. Okay. Approval routing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So no approval routing is enabled. Let's say we
Yes.
want to create a workflow on any like purchase order approval. So we will enable save.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so I'm not going to create this like approval workflow or like,
Mm-hmm.
but I will show you in any other account where like how the it's uh, like conditions are created. Okay,
Okay.
because
Yeah.
see, because workflow needs to be in, like if like uh, I had to like create the workflow on any role or any person
Mm.
who will be
Mhm.
approving. So only
Oh,
there
okay,
are,
okay.
so who will be approving if I won't be able to check that. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Then I want to lock a particular field. All those things are possible, right? With the
Yes,
workflow.
yes,
Is it
yes,
workflow or
yes.
condition there?
Sorry?
Would it be called workflow or condition?
No, it
Like,
is,
let's say I want to create a new record, and if they select this particular company name, then I want a certain thing to be logged.
yes, yes, you can set everything in workflow. Okay.
Oh, okay, it is possible. Okay,
Mm.
okay.
Migration, workflows. Like, so you can see this approval workflow. Okay. And it is
Mm-hmm.
the multi-stage workflow. Okay.
Okay.
As you can see, there are multiple stages. So first stage is the initiation. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Like an initiation. So in this particular state, what we are doing? We are doing, if you want to check the actions, set field value, approval status is pending approval. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So if I go to the purchase order here, okay, okay. So as you can see, this approval status pending approval.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It will set that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Set field value, approval status pending by approval. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Set field value workflow created by current user. Okay. So
Okay.
this particular condition is specify, okay, because if you want to uh, identify who has created the workflow, okay, if,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
when we reject the workflow, it has to be come back to the,
Initiator.
yeah, initiation. Okay. So this particular condition is added because the user who has uh, created the workflow, in the case
Mm-hmm.
of rejection, will add it again. Okay. Other
Okay.
user can't add it.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Let's say Bindu has created a workflow, and
Mm-hmm.
if I rejected the workflow, only you can
Mm-hmm.
add it and change. Okay, what is the mistake in the transaction?
Oh, I see. Okay, okay.
Not any
Mm-hmm.
other user.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So where is that specified? So is that the second the approval?
It is just like there is one condition there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it is like field workflow create WFF created by, and it is current
Oh,
user.
select this current user. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay.
So, now we'll go to a second stage.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now it is now here we are specifying the role like user role. Okay. Ideally, I
Mm-hmm.
don't think there should be the need of this stage. Okay, initiation creator.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the person who has created as like at this stage.
Mm-hmm.
Likewise, we can go to initiation from directly to level approval one. Okay, but
Okay.
but it is created. So what is happening in this stage? In this particular stage, we are adding the button. We are
Okay.
submit for approval button. We are adding, but when when the record will be saved. Okay.
Right, right. Mm-hmm.
So once we record, they say like save the report. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
we can add the approval button.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. So all these arrows, you can see these arrows are the basically the transition. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, okay. Now from initiation creator to approval one, the transition we have specified okay to approval level one. So
Yeah.
execute on button submit for approval.
Mm-hmm.
So approval one. Now under the approval one, we have said that who will be the approver.
Mm-hmm.
That field value approval status. Yes. So yes. So field value is pending approval only.
Mm-hmm.
Field value next approver is Rakesh. Okay. And add button. So we are adding the approve button or reject button.
Okay.
Okay. So in the
Mm-hmm.
initiation, we have entered this, we have added the submit for approval button. And
Mm-hmm.
after submit for approval button, we are adding the approve and reject button.
Mm, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, so either from approval level one, we can reject or we can approve directly.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not directly because uh, if we can approve directly from the approval level one, so there should be a like transition.
Right.
Okay.
I think there are two levels of
Yeah.
approval.
But so from approval level one, it will go to level two. Okay.
Right. Right.
And on the basis of some conditions, it can go to level one also. Okay.
Yeah.
It can be approved from direct level one. Let's say there is a condition if the workflow value is uh, less than 50,000.
Mm-hmm.
So it should be directly approved from level one. We can specify the
Yeah.
condition. And
Mm-hmm.
if it is like more than 50,000, it will go to level two.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, but there is no condition. They are simple like after level one, level two should be there. So we are specifying, okay, after level two, next approver is this person. And again, that button is coming.
Yeah.
So from level two, either we can approve or we can reject. If we reject again, so
Then
this,
it goes back to the.
yeah, it will show on again resubmit for approval button to the user.
Right. Right. Right.